VeChain announces partnership with Venice Sustainable Fashion Forum. VeChain's making some moves quietly, and let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm the captain, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, a consulting firm predicts the economic and the outlook of Italy and Europe has joined forces with VeChain. This is great news, a leading blockchain enterprise. Now, the Venice Forum will be the first international summit to be held on the 27th and the 28th of October of 2022. Focus on the transition to sustainable fashion. Now, VeChain regularly delivers highly scalable, low carbon smart contracts. Now, the VeChain ecosystem provides the best resources to solve real economic problems. Now, let me skip over to here. The European House forecasts the economic outlook at the annual International Economic Conference. Now, it also analyzed technology and scientific development and their impact on business in the future. Now, the vision of this forum is to become a reference event for discussing sustainable development issues in the fashion world. In addition, they will study the current and future of the key supply chain for the transition. This fits VeChain like a glove. Now, the non-government organization, institutional brand, supply chain expert, business representative, advisory groups, and more will join this conference to discuss challenges and opportunity and to address and identify a clear path to effective transition. Now, VeChain announced this partnership. Let's see what happened in 2022 as VeChain continues to grow in the crypto world. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm the captain, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.